So what we're going to look at is substitution, how you can evaluate an expression by substitution. So what this means is if you get an example with an algebraic expression like 3x plus 5, and you know that x is equal to minus 3, well, all you have to do is wherever the x is, substitute negative 3 inside 4x, and then you just have to do your mental math. Yes, write it down. And when you're plugging in a value with substitution, it's good practice to put brackets around it. Then it's just your order of operations to solve. So 3 times negative 3 is negative 9, plus 5 is equal to minus 4. So here's another example. This example, the expression has more than one x. We have an x squared minus a 4x plus 9. And we say, well, if x is equal to negative 2, what is this expression equal to? And again, we substitute it in with brackets at first. Wherever there was an x, we write a negative 2. Again, the brackets are important because here we have an x squared. So now the negative 2 is getting squared. And what happens when you have negative 2 times negative 2? Get positive 4. Minus 4 times the negative 2 will be plus 8, plus 9. Add those all together, and you get 21. In this next example, our expression has an x and a y. So we've got a formula with two variables, and it says evaluate, and here's an important key word. The word evaluate means get an answer that's a number. You want a single number as an answer. So that's what the word evaluate means. And we have two variables in our expression, but we're told x is equal to negative 1 and y is equal to negative 5. So that means wherever there's an x, you're going to replace it with a negative 1. Wherever there's a y, you're going to replace it with a negative 5. Then you go through your order of operations. What would you do first? Brackets, and inside the brackets, there's just a single number. So our brackets are just holding a number. So we don't have to do brackets. What's after brackets? Exponents. We do have an exponent here. Negative 1 to the power 2 will be positive 1. And then we can multiply. Positive 1 times 2 is 2. Negative 5 times negative 5 is plus 25. Add them together, and you get 27.